Hello bucket list buddies, and welcome to another episode. Well, full transparency here, I was planning to do a lot more maintenance, RV maintenance tips and tricks and what to do. I'm right now at the time where there are many maintenance items to take care of, but to be completely frank, I've been a little under the weather, so the last few days I've been just kind of laying low, just to heal the body, if you will. So I'm a little behind, so next episode hopefully you're going to see a little bit more of that, but I'll get into all of that here right after we watch this intro video. So why don't we roll that right now? Alright, welcome back. So as I mentioned, I've been a little under the weather and have not been outside doing a lot of the maintenance that I'm kind of behind on. For example, last episode you saw some maintenance on the Schwintek slides. Hope that was helpful, and in fact many of you commented on that. So what I'd hope to do is some maintenance tips and tricks on the other slides, my hydraulic slides, as well as my awnings and slide toppers. But I didn't get to that because, like I said, just wasn't feeling well. It kind of sucks being in the rig by yourself, traveling the country when you're sick, and there's nobody to help take care of you. So I do miss that a little bit. Joanne, why did you have to go home so early? Come back. At any rate, because I've been ill, I haven't done that, but I do have some great content to share with you. On my way out of Arizona, I made one last stop before I headed into Utah, and that was in Page, Arizona, and I went to go see Horseshoe Bend. So beautiful, beautiful place. Highly recommend to stop. So it's something that will only take you about an hour or so. Highly recommend this stop. One thing I did learn, I have a national park pass. It doesn't work at this particular park. This park is completely managed by the city of Page. So you have to pay a fee. I think the fee I paid was $10. So well worth it, well worth it. And so what you'll see here is I had almost an hour worth of video that I condensed down into a little bit for you. So you can appreciate that. But the cameras just doesn't do it justice. And I will tell you, the day I was there, it was very windy. So I turned down the mics and let some music play because you just otherwise would hear nothing but howling winds. I hope you enjoy this, and be right back. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Or it's actually afternoon here, isn't it?
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey bucket list buddies, so here we are at Horseshoe Canyon in Arizona, just outside of Page, Arizona, and just pulled in here on my way to Zion to check this out. Now there's a lot of haze in the air because of the fires, but let's see what kind of view we get. Like the halfway point. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. As you can tell, it's just gorgeous. Cameras, as I said before on other episodes, just doesn't do it justice. It is incredible. The views, the water down below, just beautiful. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the little bell, and make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.